Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a really quick video today, doing some more decorating in my Christmas planner. I thought I would share with you some of the way that I'm decorating this planner. It's quite different than what I do in my Happy Planner or other planners because I'm trying to keep everything kind of flat and not really have a lot of dimension in the actual pages that I'm making. Now, I did create this planner on my channel. I did create a lot of it, and then I also created the actual inserts myself. I kind of took different ideas from different Etsy shops and different places and kind of just created something that would work specifically for me. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a transparency of that Santa Claus is from Ali Edwards, her last year's collection. And then the December is actually also from Ali Edwards. It's a calendar that happens to be last year's calendar, but still works because the dates and it's a leap year. It still works. And on the back of that, the December calendar, I put some of my favorite things, which is also another thing from Ali Edwards. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in and start. Again, this is going to be a pretty quick video, but I thought I would just go ahead and share it with you because it's pretty fun to just decorate. So I decided I was going to use this sticker sheet. I wanted to kind of keep the theme the same for each of the different sections, even though it doesn't necessarily match the overall aesthetic of the planner itself. At least each section would kind of match. So that's what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to put this little season's greetings down here at the bottom. And it was one of those things that had like little holes. It looked like a book plate kind of thing. So I thought I wanted to add a little pink to this because some of those other stickers had pink in it. So, and I am also going to be using, doing like a little Christmas countdown. So I'll show you here in a second the stickers I'm going to use to count down the Christmas days. So I just put ahead and put some bows on the end of those with some string that I had. And I'm just going to trim those up and kind of work that little loop was like curled weird, so I was trying to figure out how to fix it. So I got that finally fixed, and then I was able to trim up the little strings there. Okay, and then I'm going to get, so there's the sticker sheet I'm going to use to kind of each day I'm going to take one of those stickers and put it on one of the days, on the day that it is, until we get to the top of the Christmas tree. So I wanted to add some pink because there was some pink in those stickers. And then I had this little tree. I thought that was a cute little tree tag, so I just added a little sticker from behind there, and then again added a little string, little pink string. So that is pretty much all I did for that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab this other sticker that has the same little design as the sticker I stuck behind the tree tag. And I'm just going to put that at the top there, and then I cut that off, and then I'm going to put it also at the bottom. I liked it because it looked like it had like a torn edge, so that was kind of cute. And then I'm just going to put a little joy and peace on there. On my 25 days of Advent, what I'm going to do is each day I'm going to take down kind of like a special memory or special moment or just something I want to remember for that specific day. So that's what I'm going to do there. That's why I put a sticker that says Holiday Delights. That sticker is actually the other half of the sticker that I used on the other page underneath that little tree. So I'm just going to try to figure out something to put on top of that. And then I found this cool little Santa like stamp looking thing, like postage stamp thing. So I put that on top of there, and then there the sticker sheet had these kind of like weird stickers that I don't know what those stickers were or what they were supposed to be. Maybe a tie or something. I don't know. But I just decided to use them as a little backdrop to that sticker that says Eat, Drink, and Be Merry. This sticker sheet's where I'm going to kind of put some, or this page is going to be like some of my favorites. And then over on the other side, I wanted to put in some um, just some simple little decorations. So I had another one of those stickers that I used in the other one, and I cut that one in half. And then I'm just gonna do kind of the same thing, put that one on the bottom and then one on the top. And then I think I add one little sticker to the top there, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Probably could have edited some of that out. Sorry about that. But we're going to get there. There we go. Yeah, I put, not sure what that says. And the bottom one said Holly Jolly. Okay, so now we're going to go back to this page, and I had this other sticker on there that had some like weird quote. Well, I mean, I guess it wasn't weird, but it's just nothing that I would ever use. So I decided to go ahead and use the ends of that sticker as just a little decorative piece. So I'm going to put that at the bottom of that other page, the wish list page. So there is some of the things that I'm wishing for Christmas. We will see how much of it I already got. I already have the pom Christmas tree from Target. Yeah, I went ahead and bought that for myself. So I need to write the date on there because I just bought that. And yeah, so it's fun to write a little list and just have some thoughts of what you want. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that other piece on that side so it'll kind of match the bottom. And then I'm just going to put one little sticker there at the bottom as well. Sorry, I probably could have cut some of this additional kind of waiting around stuff, but that's okay. It gave me some time to talk. All right, so that's that page. That's kept it pretty simple. And then on the favorite, these are my favorite things. I'm just gonna, I had a couple of stickers in there that I wanted to use. Obviously the 25. There's also a couple other stickers on there that I wanted to use. And I really do, was one of those things it was really hard for me to use these stickers because I really did think they were very cute. And I'm like, well, if I don't ever use them, are they really that cute? You know, just sitting on the sticker page. So I just decided to go for it. I actually have some paper that matches it. So I'm like, what if I ever make something? But, you know, I just went for it. So yeah, so that is basically what I did for this kind of decorating this section of my planner. And this section I'm calling the Christmas Spirit section. It was I totally scrap lifted it from another planner person they had done that in their planner, and I was like, oh, that's such a good idea. So there you can see I used quite a bit of those stickers. That sticker sheet was completely full when I started this project, and I used so many of those stickers. So, and now they looked really cute, and they're not just on that sticker sheet, they're actually being used. And when I flip through my planner, I will see some cute stickers. All right, so let's go ahead and take a quick flip through of what it looks like. I've got my little Santa there in my December. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way that it looks. And then I went ahead and put those little stickers in that pocket just so I can use them when I'm ready for them. And I decided to go ahead, since that page was blank on that side, I'm taking a sticker that matches the collection I used, and I'm going to put that right there. So that is all that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.